guys, and welcome back to another quick tips video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning classes. In today's video, I would like to tell you when to use the word at as a preposition of time. We use at as a preposition of time when we want to talk about a very specific time or holidays that do not include the word day. For example, I will meet you at 7 o'clock. I will meet you at 7 o'clock. It's a specific time. Another example, the flowers are beautiful at Easter time. The flowers are beautiful at Easter time. Easter is a holiday that doesn't include the word day, so we use at. The flowers are beautiful at Easter time. I hope this tip helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.